Oh my god!
Oh my goodness!
You're so dead. Did you die?
Oh no, I broke my leg.
Fuck this, I'm doing it. That looked fun as.
Dude, that was sick. Look how.
Holy! Can I make it onto this thing? Make it onto this
No,
platform.
you'll miss it. You'll miss
I landed
it.
up here, and I didn't break my
Bullshit,
legs. Look at this.
Bullshit. Oh, you did.
What's she
Who's
wanted?
here? And I watch this.
I'm watching. Run away.
Oh. No, what? Yeah. Go to the left.
Did they fire?
How do you get on their boat?
Give me an inch.
You fucked them down there, you
fucking car.
Shut the
Did you get on? Oh, did you down the anchor? Did you anchor them?
Take it.
You just lost spare. Spare me an inch, you fat fucking cocks.
How was today, young dick, just non-stop? I don't think everyone realised and just pissed them all off at once.
Nice, dude. I like how you dropped their anchor. They're never catching us now.
I've set their ship alight too.
How did you like it?
What are they called? Fire bombs. They're like little how do you say it? Mop logs.
You just rolled a spare.
Spare me
You
an
did
inch, you
nothing.
fat fucking cocks. I like you boys. I killed all three of them, dude.
And I stream for Stevo. I've slowed the ship down. Yeah, I've slowed the ship down.
The megalodons. Oh!
Ando, get ready,
Yeah,
get ready. Yep. Go. Did you do it? Yes! Yes! Off to the side, Did you put it on the side?
Oh yes, bro.
Yes, it worked.
No, I didn't get to the right. Do we need repairs?
Should I come as well? You need to come right now.
Okay. I'm up in there.
Megalodon's on us.
No, fuck the megalodon. Go straight for them. And just check repairs because there was water downstairs.
Really?
Okay, I'm back up
can't.
top. I'm back up top. Oh,
Oh jeez, we got a leak. Tell me where I need to
right, go hard right now, hard right. Oh, they're sinking.
Well,
I sunk him.
Really?
I sunk him.
Where is it?
I sunk him to our right. I sunk him.
Clip it.
Oh, I gotta clip it. Oh no, can't I slip off?
You idiot, you need to come back now.
I'm here.
Okay.
Whereabouts?
Oh, they're waiting there.
Okay.
They're not even ready to go.
Okay.
Are you ready?
That's fine. Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Just, it's got to be alongside though.
Yeah, hold up. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Is it alongside?
They're all taking treasure in. Yep, go now. Nick, go now. Go.
I missed it.
You idiot. No, you haven't.
Oh no. Dan, turn around. Turn around. 360. I failed it.
Oh, you can't.
You fucking cunt, kill yourself, your parents hate you.
This guy said, you fucking cunt, kill yourself, your parents hate you. What's going on, Dan? Dan, what's going on?
I completely destroyed the bottom of their boat.
Yeah,
and get back in.
Yeah, I'm going ashore.
Our boat's destroyed though as well. Shit, dude, we could sink here. Why did we go ashore, bro?
I killed two of them. Their boat's sinking mad fast.
Nice, dude.
I stopped them from bailing water.
If you can hear me, motherfucker hits you. That's what you're
You just rolled
Ah,
a spare.
you suck, dude. You fucking
Send
suck.
me an inch of
Ah,
your fat
you
fucking
fucking suck.
cock.
It's the same niggas.
It's the same niggas.
It's the same niggas. Bro, we
Leaks
suck.
we got.
Is the boat still
We didn't even
alive?
get one leak. Dude, we didn't even get
Okay,
one
throw a
leak.
U-turn. Throw a U-turn and go back straight away.
I'm shaking, bro. I'm shaking.
Safe. Go back.
No, boat's gone. They're gone. They're done. Alright, go kill him. Go kill him.
I'm going to.
They're gonna try snipe us. Fuck, the harpoon guns aren't round properly.
Kill one.
Yep, keep going.
There's another one. He's on the docks.
He's got a snipe off on me.
Yeah, it's alright. I'm going up shore now. Where is he? Did he jump in the water?
He might be on me.
He's on you. He's climbing out the left side. Left side. Get your blunderbuss out and cover the left side.
Got him.
Kill yourself.
Got him.
You just rolled a spare.
You suck, dude.
Spare me an inch of your fat fucking cock. Bro, that was the funniest shit.
You have time. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you directly in line? Please tell me you're directly in line.
Did it. I did it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna jump off the front. Ready?
Yeah, nice, dude. Oh, I'm gonna bring him around this island.
Your parents hate you.
They got
Your
me.
parents fucking hate you.
Yeah.
We're after you, motherfuckers. Your parents hate you so much.
Do you, I'm gonna.
No,
Do you want to
come
do
after us? We're so
You're a cheeky
scared.
cunt, you're dead now.
Don't come after
And
us.
I'm gonna do the barrel trick.
You cunt, don't shoot me, you're gay.
Please
You shoot me, you're gay.
Please don't come after us, guys.
We're gonna fuck your ass, nigga.
Oh, please don't. Don't ram him, skim him, and I'm gonna go with the barrel. All right. Take us to the right.
I'm trying, dude. Go. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go now. They got me, dude.
Did they?
Fuck, dude. They got me.
That's all right. Don't stress. Is the boat okay?
How did you go with the...
Yeah,
no, I died.
They're dead.
I've got to get the shit dial.
Spin an inch of your fat fucking cock.
Kill yourself! We're fucking killing you!
Infamous.
Come here, you fucking
I think our shit might be done for though, bro. I rammed them and they shot a cannonball at it.
Stand for? Fuck you!
You just rolled a spare. Spin an inch of your fat fucking cock.
Back in, dude. How's our ship doing? We're good. Dude. Oh, I'm coming back on. Cheeser.